Oh, hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you my get unready with me. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this get unready with me video. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, I got home really late. It was like what, 7 p.m. when I came home, and I think I'm going to have some relaxing night. So I'm going to show you guys what I like to do when I want to relax. So the very first thing that I love to do, even though it's super cold, I live in Chicago, so it's super cold, I love to have an open window to get this breezy fresh air over to my home. It's only for like a couple minutes, and then during that time I love having my diffuser on, and today I'm going to be using this grass one. I got it from Amazon. This is actually one of my favorite companies since it's kind of like colder and I kind of want to smell something more breezier. I'm going to get the fresh cut grass. Oh, okay, I went downstairs to get myself a glass of wine because why not? I had a hard time at work, so I deserve it. If you guys don't know, my mom still lives in Europe, so I decided to send her some stuff from here. You know, just a little bit of a gift. Actually, I was supposed to be sending it earlier, but I just didn't have much time and I just couldn't really do it, so I'm sending it actually this upcoming Wednesday, so hopefully it will come soon because I'm going to pay for the fast delivery, but we'll see, you know, because it's like kind of far, like 8 hours flight, so that's far. But anyway, I'm not really going to be like unwrapping this because I'm actually kind of proud of myself how I did it, which I feel like I'm kind of destroying already. But anyway, I got her those two shirts. One is kind of like leopard print and another one is black with some stripe over here, open stripe, and one sparkling dress from Calvin Klein. My mom loves everything that's dark and sparkling, so I think she's going to love this. At least I hope. And then from Target I got her a couple of, actually I think three of those EOS hand creams. So it's coconut water, jasmine peach, and vanilla cashmere. I got her this cup from Starbucks. I think it's really cute. My mom actually loves red. My mom is like such a girl, like she loves anything that's sparkling and red and like stuff like that. So yeah, I put some of those like KN95 masks with some sanitizer, you know, protection and all that. Let's be safe. Let's not get COVID. After that, I got her a couple of American snacks. So I got her those Reese's, Kisses, a couple of those hot chocolate spoons. This is pretty cute. It's like a vanilla stick here, marshmallows, and what is this? Peppermint, yeah. Okay, I also got her Lindt because I think this is her favorite chocolate. I mean, who doesn't love Lindt? 2 Starbucks coffees, you know, to have some coffee for her new Starbucks mug. I mean, tumbler. Some like puff bombs with unicorn thing inside. I got myself one too, and then I got like some a green unicorn. Pretty nice. And then some face masks with I Am Red Wine mask sheet for care. I think, wait, I'm not sure if this is from Sephora or Ulta, I forget, but I think it's actually from Ulta now that I think of it. But I went to Sephora for a couple other things too, and I got here this hemp lotion, which I really actually like. I think hemp is my favorite company for stuff like that. And then I got her also those earrings. I don't know, they just scream my mom. If you would meet my mom, you would now know what I'm talking about. And another earring that I got her are from Michael Kors, just those like regular ones. I hope it's focusing. Okay, yeah, just regular Michael Kors earrings. I also got her Michael Kors powder, bronze and highlight palette. I got her some foundation from MAC. My mom is having pretty dark skin tone, way darker than I am, and I'm not wearing any foundation right now. I'm pale like my father, so yeah, my mom always gets like 3 or 2 tones darker than I am. I also got her this NARS lipstick in color Red Band, I think. Band Red, wow, Band Red. Some lip injection Too Faced Extreme, Stila, black liner, mascara from NARS, some perfume, and this month I chose to give her some Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. So yeah, this is all. I'm going to be sending it to her this Wednesday for sure, because I'm off from work and anything, so I'm not doing anything besides just hanging out with my friend later on. But yeah, this is all I got her. I hope she's going to enjoy it, and yeah, now I'm going to be having my relaxing night routine. Part of my relaxing routine will be having a bath, so I'm going to be having this, what is this? Avocado bath bomb, and on top of this I'm going to put some, what is this? Digital Detox Sleep Salt, and I'm going to let it steam, and then I'm just going to go ahead and remove my makeup. It's so hot in my house. I feel like I'm about to die right now because it's super cold for this past 1 week, and I've been having my temperature in the house pretty high. So yeah, I am sweating right now. I'm going to be removing the rest of the makeup that I have with this Clinique Take the Day Off. This is my definitely favorite eye makeup and in general makeup remover, because I'm saying eye makeup because I'm not wearing any foundation ever since we started wearing those face masks. I don't know, I honestly like the way my skin looks right now. I don't have like any pimples or anything like that, so it's not that bad. I don't think I need it, especially because half of my face will be anyway covered under the masks, because I'm wearing my mask pretty much 24/7 of the job that I'm doing. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove my makeup with the Clinique. Now that my face is fully cleaned from all the makeup, I'm just going to go ahead and use this L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intensive. I use this one only for night, so I just took shower, washed my hair, and then the shampoo that I'm using and conditioner is from this brand called Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging. And then the lotion that I'm using is this one, Aveeno. I'm switching my lotion almost every month, so this month is this one for very dry skin. To put some face mask, and currently I just ordered like a lot of them on Amazon. I'm using this Korean Dermal, and this one is like olive, I guess, oil with collagen mask. I'm going to apply, I don't know if you guys can buy it though, but it's from Isana. It's like avocado glow. It already has retinol in here. My mom sent me this, so it's like a mask, like a face mask that you just used at night to like get some extra hydration into your skin. It's like a leave-on mask, so I'm just going to add this right now. I feel like I never use all of it because it's too much for my face. Okay, so that will be it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys pretty soon. Bye!